dear subscribers, today let's try to install Windows 7 from Windows 8. So if it will work or not. So let's try that. Let's just try to install now. So what do you think, if it will work or not? So let's just check that. So let's just I accept, next. So now we just choose this one and just tap on next. Okay. So let's just try to do it. I hope that it will work. But really interesting if it will work or not. So what do you think? Really interesting, yeah? So let's wait, and after I will write to you if it will work or not. So thanks for watching, goodbye.